With the advent of mobile technology, the world has become an increasingly smaller place, with everything at our fingertips. Here at Hatchyard, we're focused on building products that work, from mobile and web applications to chatbots. Each of our products are mobile-first, cloud-native, subscription-based software. What sets us a cut above the rest is that we leverage the latest innovative technology to adapt our applications framework to convert any idea into an uber-smart, practical solution.
We are here at Hatch 101, presented by Hatchyard, problem solving through innovation and design. It's going to be a really interesting night. Okay, so let's take that very special journey here with us at High TV.
We're helping the busiest among us find smart solutions to everyday issues that are easy to execute and get the job done in no time. The great thing about one of our applications, ServiceNow, is that it allows office maintenance to be handled exclusively on it.
The app links the company with the premium service providers who are secure, insured, and reliable, and allow us to reduce the time in coordinating the jobs and supervising.
We have the wonderful Niroshan from the founder of Hatchyard right here with us, and I must say it's a fantastic session. And if you can briefly describe to our viewers what Hatchyard is all about.
Yes, actually Hatchyard is a concept that I like to introduce to Sri Lankan entrepreneurs and the IT landscape, where we collectively hatch ideas into products. So it's a platform where you could convert the platform into producing some products that you could reuse for multiple industries. So the hatch means that the concept of hatching is there. So basically what we have done is like we have given this platform where we have hatched our own products initially. So what you have seen today, the Onavadak is our first hatched product. So it's a servicing app where you could get your services done through the app. You can post your services and then it gets distributed to the service providers. And there are about 150,000 users currently using the product in Sri Lanka. And what I have described here is basically how you can use that particular product to multiple sectors, like how you can use that into a fitness app, how you can use that to a beauty app, how you can use that to a school app. So multiple problems to be solved using the same sort of building blocks and calling that products as a hatched idea is a concept of Hatchyard.
Everyone today wants to know, what can your brand do? What can you do that is different that others can't do? But how do you get them all to see it? For example, if you are someone who provides transportation or healthcare for kids, or it could be apartments that you're building, it's very annoying to actually get the consumer to come to where you are, or make them go onto a website and then make them go through menu, then from there onto the gallery. It's just too much. It really drains you out. You have to make it so much more easier, so much more accessible. Even today, up to date, your Facebook gets updated every single month, just to make it more accessible, so much more colorful, so much more easier, so much more touch friendly. And that's what they do. They take an idea and develop it into so much more nicer, so much more easier, so that it's so convenient for you to take your brand further and make your consumers understand, wow, this is just made easy.
Okay, so what is Onavadak? If you need to get any task, anytime, anywhere, we have developed a platform, which is a mobile app as well as a web application, where you can post what you want to get done in a very simple way, saying, I want to get my wall painted. I want to get my house renovated. I want to get the new bathroom done, right? So that get posted to this Facebook kind of a wall. It's like you guys are using Facebook, right? So you know how to post on your wall, and people can see. Your friends can see. If you post it to public, everyone can see. So similarly, if you post something in ONOVADAC app, the audience will see that, right? So if you post saying, I want to get my house renovated, and you're looking for electricians or looking for architects or designers, then the designers and architects who are registered in the app will get the notification. They will see your post. There are over 35,000 service providers, electricians, plumbers, designers, architects, you name it, all right? And then there are about 12,500 tasks or jobs that we have completed over the last 18 months, right? And I can see people saying, I got a new job, thank you very much. I got my businesses growing from where they started into a new scale. Like some of these electricians who had 1 or 2 guys working for them, now they have about 10, 15 people working for them. So their business have grown. What I'm going to talk about here is another application, right? It's called healthy habits. In the same way that you think of ONOVADAC as service providers, electricians, and plumbers for a community of services, now if you think about similar product or similar applications for health-conscious people. It could be your gyms, it could be your sporting complexes, or it could be your physical trainers, instructors, beauticians. We're not using our best brains to build the software to Sri Lankans. So what I'm trying to achieve here, I'm not boasting here or anything like that, my effort is try to encourage the best brains to build and fix the problems that Sri Lankans are having with the help of the corporate, and then convert that into a product.
So you can join with us and develop a program or an app for that particular industry. And we can co-own that product. Exact terms and conditions, of course, we can discuss later. Now, by doing that, typically developing a software or something is seen as a cost to the company. But here it could be an investment, because once we develop that product, as Niroshan mentioned earlier, we can sell it to other companies who might also need that product. Maybe we can go and sell it in other countries. Because once you fine-tune that product, and we have a lot of, like the platform and building blocks that we have already built. So it's a matter of configuring it to solve your particular problem. And some of these building blocks are tried and tested. The quality is there. And also the fine-tuning can be done as we go.
My idea is not to run one particular business. That's not how I want to do it. It's not my vision. It's not my passion. My passion is give you the nursery, as I said, put your seeds, and we will grow the plant together. And we'll pick the fruits when the tree grows.
You have seen how this organization works and how simple service can be provided. With a time period of just 6 weeks in hand, they can transform and give you a brand.
Our framework has also allowed us to create ONOVADAC, a community-oriented social media platform with the largest talent pool in Sri Lanka that enables people to achieve so much more than they previously thought possible.
And we have with us the financial advisor to Hatchyard, Kavinda, with us right now. If you can briefly describe as to what Hatchyard is all about.
Now, what we are offering, the unique proposition here is, rather than having a ready-made product that we are trying to sell, or else rather than asking an investor to come and invest in our company, what we are offering is an opportunity for you to, as a business, to come and co-develop a product with us. So basically, let's say if you're from a certain industry, let's say you can be from the construction industry, you will have a unique set of problems that you face. And together, we can come up with programs and software which can solve these problems, and we can co-own that particular product. That way, we can sell it to other companies which also will have similar requirements, and that profit or that earnings can be shared by the two parties. So instead of the traditional way of looking at it as a cost, what we offer, this could be actually be an investment. Actually, what we want to do is in Sri Lanka, a lot of companies have problems which can be sorted with technology, which can be addressed, to give an opportunity to solve those problems. At the same time, give an opportunity for those companies to also make something out of it. As a product, once it's developed, we both can share in the revenue.
And we have with us the Director of Finance for Alliance, Kusal, with us right now. Lovely to have you here. What are your thoughts about Hatchyard?
Yeah, I think it's a great initiative, which I think the general public as well as the corporate sector they have developed some the platform that can be applied to many different users, many different applications, which would come very handy for the corporate sector as well as the public. This would be a good opportunity for people to further build on their brand, because this would this can also deployed to have more frequent new channel of interaction with your customers, right? As well as maybe the supplier, other business partners, the whole stakeholders of the business. You can have connections going, communications going both ways.
Our technology isn't just capable of changing the lives of people at work, but also that of the next generation. With the creation of School App, we're pioneering communication between schools and parents to ensure students receive the best holistic education possible.
The app connects the school to the parents and allows them to receive updates on homework, notices, evaluation reports and progress reports.
This way, we can bridge communication gaps, inform parents and students of areas of improvement, address student grievances as and when they arise, and even keep parents in the loop about events, exams, and school trips well in advance.
We have with us the senior lecturer at the University of Moratuwa, Dimantha, with us right now. It's a pleasure to have you. I suppose my first question to you would be, what are your thoughts? I mean, the technology behind Hatchyard, you would definitely have some thoughts regarding that.
Yeah, I think, what I have seen today is a kind of the introduction of the platform that they have developed. And it brings it creates an idea where we could use for different purposes. So I come from academic side, but where my involvement is in the transportation side, and my clients would be the public, right? So we have to see how we could serve the public with this kind of a platform. So sometimes these the corporate side or the financing part might have come from the government side, but I think it's dissemination of the information to the public. We could use these kind of platforms.
The CEO for the Sri Lanka karting circuit, Niroshan, with us right now. Niroshan, I'm pretty sure you have some thoughts regarding today and today's platform.
Yes, actually, Niroshan is my friend, so I'm also Niroshan and he's also Niroshan. We were together in the university together. So I have been helping him out with this platform, with ideas. So I think this is a very wonderful product, and as a country, we need to come up with a lot of new innovative businesses. So this is a platform where you can build innovative business models. So I think with this platform, if you can, the business people or the young talent, the young newcomers to the market, with the ideas, they can build innovative businesses. So I think this is a very great opportunity for the Sri Lankan community.
Smart ideas call for smarter solutions. That is why at Hatchyard, you're guaranteed solutions that are one of a kind. Hatching ideas, growing products, and igniting businesses, we sow the seeds of creativity, offering the smartest solutions to genius ideas, making your dreams a reality in the digital age.
problems and innovation go hand in hand. And Hatchyard certainly has the answers for it. If you have any questions, you can certainly get in touch with the representatives at Hatchyard, and we can only hope that brands and corporates will be more open to platforms such as this. So until next time, this is Dana signing off for High TV. Take care. Good night.